Since the very beginning, Amerex has led the industry in quality. For several years, our vehicle systems have carried third-party approval for heavy-duty mobile equipment. But today, standards in fire protection are higher than ever. So now, after thorough testing, Amerex has been certified to FM approval standard FM 5970 for heavy-duty mobile equipment fire protection systems, a new standard of protection, developed in partnership with the industry's leading companies, including Amerex.
You would imagine the most adverse, difficult scenarios that your system would need to perform in, from full system tests all the way down to individual component level tests.
A lot of these vehicles are installed in nasty, corrosive environments. So we've been able to take a deep dive into how our system works and really stretch the limits of how it performs and what it's capable of doing.
There's been flow tests, numerous fire tests, salt fog testing, leak tests, heat exposure tests, flexibility tests, and all these tests have to perform under those conditions and still be successful in suppressing a fire hazard.
These tests are demanding, but they make the vehicle systems better because designs have been updated and parts have been replaced in order to withstand the most extreme conditions.
Amerex is committed to quality. So it's necessary for us to pursue this standard, no matter how stringent and difficult it might be. We want to ensure our customers that they can count on our products.
Higher standards in fire protection mean the difference between Amerex and inferior vehicle systems is greater than ever. With FM 5970, Amerex continues to take testing and product development to the next level.